A year after Honda debuted its futuristic Zero Saloon, the automaker is returning to the CES 2025, moving another step closer to the production versions of its Zero Series EVs. The Zero Saloon looks remarkably similar to the 2024 CES concept car, but the Zero Saloon now wears larger headlights that have a neat retracting cover, and the concept's front-end screen has been replaced by a more production-friendly blank panel. While the rear, Honda has preserved the concept's futuristic design with an ovoid lighting signature. The interiors are similar, with a dashboard that is dominated by screens. There's a digital gauge cluster, a central touchscreen, a dedicated display for the front passenger, and two peripheral screens showing the side camera's views. There are virtually no physical controls, apart from the stalks that reside behind the yoke-style steering wheel. Although Honda didn't spill new details on the powertrain this time around, it previously announced a target range of over 300 miles, with both rear and all-wheel drive configurations in the works. On the autonomy front, the Zero Series will debut Level 3 self-driving capabilities, including eyes-off functionality for highway traffic jams where regulations allow. The Zero Series models also feature Honda's new steer-by-wire system, which integrates the steering, suspension, and brakes. Meanwhile, the vehicle's brains will run on Honda's Asimo operating system. This operating system ties together driver assistance, infotainment, and over-the-air updates, with learning and adapting to individual driver preferences over time. Furthermore, Honda said the production versions of the Zero Saloon will launch in the US in 2026, also being assembled at Honda's Ohio facility.